Good afternoon, class. Let us learn what life process is. Before coming to the life process, first we want to focus on the word life. What is life? Anything that is alive has a life. Like the dog barking or running outside, or I am talking to you, or you are responding to my question and answer. We all these movements we are doing showing that we are alive. Now, my dear students, tell me that the plants that do not run or walk like us or eat like us, but this means that it is not a living organism or a non-living organism. No, my dear, because plants are also living organisms and they also show some movement which are not easily visible to us. The movement that the plant shows are molecular movements. Moreover, you can also see some plants like touch me not. If you touch them, the plant get sigh and they folded their leaves. So they are called touch me not. These movements of the plant also show that they show movements and which prove that they are also living organisms. So we can say that movement is the one of the important criteria of being alive. All living organism moves with the help of any external help. Some movements are easily visible like walking, moving, running, shouting, but some movements are not easily visible like the molecular movement. But these molecular movements are occurring every moment in every living organism. Without these molecular movements, life process is not possible. So we can say molecular movement is utmost necessary for all the life processes. Now, let us come to what is life process. Life process is the basic process of every living organism to maintain their life or being alive. Some basic processes of the life are the nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. There are some more processes that are also the includes in life process system. First, we come to nutrition. Nutrition is the intake of food by any living being. Nutrition helps to utilize the food and creates energy or gives energy to work to perform any functions of life. Next comes the respiration. Respiration is the process by which the food we take get burnt with the help of oxygen and thereby helps to release energy or gives energy to perform any functions or any work done by us. Now comes to transportation. Transportation, let us think that we eat food. This goes to the stomach or the air we inhaled goes to lung. How did this occur? This occurs by the process called transportation. The food we intake move or transported via our esophagus to the stomach where it gets digested. Not only the air uh, through nose to the lungs or food through mouth or to the stomach, but moreover, after the food is digested, it is also moved for absorption to the small intestine or after being absorbed or the transportation of the blood from heart to different body organs or such more examples like oxygenated blood, like oxygenated air move to different body parts. Same while carbon dioxide also moves from the lungs to through the nostrils out to the environment also via transportation process. And last but not the least, that is excretion. You have this excretion process like occurs in our body, it also occurs in our home in regular basis. Like your father or any other family members bring some food items like vegetables, fruits, egg, meat, any food items from market. Now what your mother do? The mother cut the vegetables into small pieces and throw out the extra skin or the unwanted leafy particles portions to the garbage bin. Like the boiled egg, we take the boiled portion of the egg and the extra hard cells are thrown to the garbage bin. That is the unnecessary things or the unnecessary food parts that are not necessary for cooking or for eating are thrown into the garbage bin. The same process occurs in our body also via excretion. The after taking our food, the food is digested, absorbed, and it helps to produce energy and transported to different parts of the body organ. After this, the unused waste products of the food are excreted or removed from our body, and this process is known as excretion. We will learn each and every life processes in detail one by one. Let's come to first life, basic life process, that is nutrition. What is nutrition? Once again, I will tell you. Nutrition is the process of taking food by an organism, by each and in fact each and every organism, and it is the utilization by the body to build our body for growth, to repair any damaged parts of the body, and most importantly for providing energy. Suppose we take that we find that there are some infections in our mouth, the mouth cavity. And the doctors prescribe to have more fruits or more vegetables because they provide vitamins which help to repair our the damage or the infectious part of the mouth cavity. Thus, through nutrition, we can get not only build our body or growth but also repair our damaged body parts. Now, let us discuss the modes of nutrition. There are two main modes of nutrition. First one is autotrophic and second one is heterotrophic. Auto means by self and hetero means several or by others. Autotrophic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which the organism or the living being can prepare their own food by simple inorganic substances. These mainly happen in green plants and some bacteria. Green plants, what do? They utilize the sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide from the environment, and they have chlorophyll present in their body. With the help of all these ingredients, the plant can prepare their own food and which can help them in growth, development, and providing energy. Next comes the heterotrophic nutrition. Hetero means, I have previously told you that hetero means different. That is the mode of nutrition in which the organism can take their food from any other organism or plant. Like us, we take foods from plants. We can also take foods from some animals like milk, meat, egg. These are the sources of food from animals. Thus, heterotrophic nutrition means depending for foods from any other living being. There are different types of heterotrophic nutrition. We will discuss it later. Thank you.